The Organo Gold 2012 International Convention is just around the corner. Join Mr. Holton Buggs, Mr. Shane Moran, and Mr. Bernardo Chua, and all the OG Diamonds in beautiful, exciting New Orleans for what will be, without question, the largest, most exciting, life-changing event in the history of Organo Gold. The theme is OG Cares, a chance for Organo Gold to impact the lives and businesses of New Orleans, a community still struggling to get back after Hurricane Katrina. Join us Friday the 31st for the spectacular free OG Parade that will start this convention off right with a massive street party. Saturday starts the first breakouts, and the general session is Sunday and Monday with the big masquerade party Monday night. This is an amazing opportunity to network and learn from the very best in person. Recognition, awards, incredible life-changing speakers, and entertainment that will blow you away. Join us Labor Day weekend, August 31st to September 3rd at the New Orleans Arena.
Hola, OG. If you really want your business to explode, you have to be in next convention, New Orleans.
Hey, listen, if you want your business to go through the roof, what you got to do is you got to make sure that you are at the next convention. In 2012, this is your year. We want to see you in New Orleans. That's going to be huge.
See you there.
The latest developments, exclusive announcements, along with some incredible surprises that you do not want to miss. Tickets are on sale now. Be the first to get them at the best price. Gold, $249. Silver, $199. And bronze, $149. These prices will go up. Go to www.ogconvention.com to get your tickets today. The Organo Gold 2012 International Convention. Be there and be a diamond.